Hey guys, welcome back. Um, had some technical difficulties. I accidentally forgot to plug in my microphone, so we had to start this over. But I hope you guys are having a great day. Today's Sunday for me. It's going to be Monday for you when you're watching this, so hope you're having a great Monday, and I hope things are going well. So today we're in a new topic. We're learning about arrays in JavaScript. Um, these will later become very important, but for right now, we're just in the basics of arrays. But it'll become good because we'll be doing objects and stuff, and it'll be sort of the same thing. But I do remember this. It's all coming back. It's all coming back. But anyway, we'll stick with arrays for now. We won't get ahead. But yeah, let's just get into it, because we're going to have to come up with a scenario when we're doing this, so that it sort of makes sense. And don't worry, I'm just going to wing it. I'm pretty good at that. Actually, no, not really. I'm not good at that. Okay. That looks uneven. I think we just need like one more. Okay, that looks good. Just enough to separate this lesson from the last lesson. I should start dating it too, like putting today's date. I don't know. It's neither here nor there. Okay, the scenario is that we have a pet store, right? And we got different types of animals. So what animals do we want to be selling? Oh no, not animals. Animals, not animal. Sorry. What types of animals would we like to do? We would like to have, let's say guinea pig. Guinea pig, right? And then we're gonna have, what else do we sell? Snakes? Oops, sorry. Snakes. If I could spell. Two more. What else? Birds. Alright. And everybody's favorite. It's not really an animal, but we'll put it in there. Spiders. Everybody loves spiders, right? So, if we console.log this, what it's going to tell us. Oh, first of all, before I console.log it, I should let you know that these are indexes and it starts at 0. So it's not 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 0, 1, 2, 3. And that's going to become important in a few minutes. But first, we want to console.log this. So, okay, I'm already on it. So, we want to console.log animals. It's going to come up as 3. Oh, 4. Sorry, 4. But 0, 1, 2, 3. Length is 4, but it starts at 0. So, as you can see. So it's important, because when you want to, let's say, can't get my earbud to stick in my ear, I'm sorry, call one of them, let's say, oops, hold on. So in order to find out, if we put 0 here, we're going to get guinea pig. We want to find out, what 10 holds, let's say. It'll tell you. So here, see, it says guinea pig. That's 0. And so it's important that you know what number you're dealing with. So remember, it starts at 0. The other thing too is if you want to find out how many well, no, not how many. If you want to call the last item in the array, you want to do it like this. You want to call it animals.length and then -1, because you're dealing with indexes again. So this should come up as spiders, and let's go see if that's right. Okay, spiders. So it's very important that you I guess I should pull this down, because this little thing's going to get in the way. But yeah, if you want to call the very last element or item, or I don't know, index in the array, you want to use animals.length -1. It's still, you know what, we could change. You know what? Let's change that. Right? This is a good idea, because you know what? How do you do that? I think he just called animals. And animals, and then we did this, and then we can do we want to call that last one, right? Length, or would it be 3? Hang on, I think we want to do 3, and then we want to do now is equal to let's change it to cat, right? Cats. Alright, so now if we change it, I think this is how it's going to work. Log animals. This could get sometimes really confusing, so bear with me. Length -1. Here we go. Should change to cats. Hopefully it changes to cats. Yes, there it is. And then if you want to console.log the whole array, we'll just call animals, and then it should just give you all of them. See how it changes to cats now? Aha! Yes, I learned something. If I took anything away, that was cool. I learned that. But yeah, this is so that's an array. That's how you use arrays for basics. You know, we took it a step further, and he did this, which I'm just gonna just take him what he did. Calc age equals, all right, birth year, and then we're gonna return 2037 minus birth year. Okay, so that's, now we're going to use an array. So we want to have an array, so const years, we're just going to make up a whole bunch of years, right? So 1956, 2009, 1941, 2031, and then 20, we'll do one more, 2020, oops, 24, or about, yeah, I think that's good. All right, so how do you do this? So I think he did const age 1 was equal to calc age and then you had to do years 0. Oops. 0, that's what it was. Yes, it's coming back. And then we'll say const age 2, and then equals, we'll do calc age years. So we'll do, oops, we'll do 2. And then we'll do the last one. What do you think? Const age 3 equals calc age years, and then it's going to be, here it is again, years dot length, oops, spelled wrong, minus 1, okay? And now, if we can console.log age 1, age 2, and age 3, right? So now we'll get the 2037 minus all that, right? So we have 81, 96, and 13, right? So what do we do the last one? 2024, yeah, 13 years old. All right, so we got the ages, and then what he said is we could put those into an array. So, oops, yeah, ages equals, watch this, this gets really cool. So he said all we had to do is just grab this guy right here, C, and then copy it, and then just do the same with the others. Okay, Control C. Yep, copy that, and one more. This gets a little complicated sometimes, but I don't know, I have fun with arrays. I love arrays. Always have. I just don't know really how to use them, like, properly. Did I save it? I did. Oh, I forgot to console log ages. So we want to console log the ages. All right, there it is. All right, so we get an array, and then, as you can see, we have, the length is 3, but it goes all the way, it indexes 2. So again, we can just console, oops, .log. Okay, we want to know what the age is of, we'll say the last one, right? We could just, actually the last one would be ages dot length minus 1. So I'm trying to do this for my practice so that I remember, it sticks in my head. So now we know it's 13, right? I think it's really cool. That's basically what we learned. Yeah, we learn how to replace, like, we pretend spiders, okay, we sold the spiders, now we replaced it with cats. We learned that. We learned how to call depending on what index this is, and what else? And if we just want to know the whole array all by itself, you just call animals, and then we learn how to use a function along with an array, which I think was kind of cool. Yeah, I think that's really cool. Well, guys, that's all I got so far. Hope you liked it, and just remember to leave a like and comment down below, hit that notification bell, and if you haven't, please subscribe. Would love to have you. And again, I know it doesn't look like it's fun now, but eventually we'll be doing projects, and we'll be using all this information that we're learning and putting it into practice, and hopefully we can make entire websites. So that's the idea. But as for now, we're in the basics of JavaScript, and that's it for right now. See you guys later.